As we start our horticulture semester, we're going to look at how plants affect us in our world. First thing we need to look at are our crop regions. There's certain crops that grow in certain parts of the United States, and there's several reasons for this. One is how much growing season time, how many days do there need to be no frost where the temperature is below 32 degrees. The second one is what is the average temperature of that area, and that's what we call our growing season. And then the last one is how much rainfall do these crops require. We can also look at the relationship between plants and animals. Most obvious reason why we need plants in my mind is because humans, animals, need to eat plants. The second reason is that plants restore oxygen to the air that animals breathe. And then the last reason then are decaying animal products support the plant life in the form of nutrients, as in decaying leaves, grass, things like that. Plants are great about harvesting the sun. Through photosynthesis, plants are able to use the energy from the sun to make carbohydrates, fats, and oils. There's also the gas exchange that occurs where plants use carbon dioxide from the air and they make oxygen. That's their byproduct, and then the whole process of that is called photosynthesis. Some ways that humans use plant materials: food. We feed our livestock from plants. Fiber, like cotton and flax, to make linen and our cotton fibers. Fuel, biodiesel, comes from soybeans. Ethanol comes from corn. We use plants for medicine, like aspirin. We also use plants for their aesthetic value, and we see that every day in all the landscaping that takes place. So some things we need to think about is we're going to have more demands for plant production in the future because there's going to be more people. So, and that's obvious through the global human population. Ethanol is made from corn. Our cities continue to grow and take over our farmland ground. And then water resources. We need water to grow all these crops. Outcomes, we need to think about what if the supply of plants can't keep up with human demands, and then what could be some of the solutions for these problems.